Yeah, good day everyone. Go by name Skywet. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, over the years, I've been into affiliate marketing, and I've gathered several experience and several secrets which can make you a successful affiliate marketer. And one of it is that I am a software developer, and I've developed a software which I've been using for a while now, and it has been giving me really good results. And the software is up for sale now. Like, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, and it's doing fine. As you can see on the screen, these are good real results. These are very good results. And as an affiliate marketer, one of the things you need to be a successful affiliate marketer like this is to have organic traffic which will come to your platform and buy your goods or the service you are rendering. And that is why I'm coming, because I have a software which is up for sale now, which I've been using, and I've been sending it out to my students also, and they're doing fast. As you can see on the screen, the software is up for sale. And if you want to get the software today, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on my Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Remember, my software is only applicable to Clickbank affiliate marketing, but it can be used on other digital affiliate marketing platforms. So to get the software today and join the clique of the smart ones that are getting really good sales on the affiliate marketing platforms, contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Thank you.